Hello, this is Fuki from CoinLudens. Today, I'm going to explain routine using 3 coins and a card. This is a routine I came up with 4 years ago and posted on my personal account. I created this routine based on the idea a coin appear just by stroking a card on the table like this. To be honest, it is quite difficult, but it was well received by the magicians around me. In this procedure, I explain an original and versatile technique using cards and coins, so please try to master it. Let's enjoy coin magic together today. Let's start with the explanation.